find the book, brew the potion, and suck the lives out of the children of Salem before sunrise. Twist the bones and bend the back. Heat it up with dramatic chemistry. Look, another glorious morning. Makes me sick.
Hey guys, happy Vlogtober. This is actually, I'm filming this on Saturday, September 29th, I think. But I'm gonna start a little bit early to get these vlogs, so this one will be the first vlog that'll go up, and then on Tuesday, probably the Sunday vlog will go up. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But anyways, today I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna vlog for you guys. Chloe's right there, being crazy. This was my breakfast. Guys, I had pumpkin spice oatmeal for breakfast, but now I'm going to a workout class. So, Snap Fitness is the gym that has these free classes, and Ashton is an awesome personal trainer. We did all kinds of stuff. I don't know all the names of the workouts, but the workout was 30 minutes and it was really cool, but I didn't get any footage of it. This was me very tired afterward. Guys, that workout was a hard workout, but a good workout. My arms hurt. I'm really tired and hot, but it was good. I'm glad I did it. Went to PetSmart and I got this birthday bedding because they were all out of the candy corn one. But I still think this looks kind of Halloween-ish for her cage tour. And plus, after Halloween's over, I can still use it because it's not just Halloween themed. And then I got her a big thing of hay because she's almost out. Spent way too much money, but animals are expensive. I just showered and put on some makeup, and now I'm gonna go eat. Cute, aren't you?
Hello, is anybody there?
Are you cute? You're silly.
Ah!
Scare him. Scare him.
Bah!
Something's coming.
Where does that tunnel lead?
Your eyes in there.
Look next to us.
I've not done much. We've just been sitting around. I ate. I'm waiting for my friend to come pick me up for the college and career thing for church. But anyways, I'll try to film a little bit for you guys, but I don't know how comfortable I'll feel filming in front of them, but we'll see. Guys, I'm back home. I literally did not vlog anything. Got too scared. I just get scared to vlog around people. But anyways, I'm back home with my baby Chloe. I'm gonna clean up my rabbit's cage area, and I might watch a Halloween movie. Might watch some YouTube videos. I really don't know, but I'm probably gonna combine this vlog with tomorrow's vlog. This was my breakfast. The next day I added spinach and peanut butter to the smoothie mix and used almond milk, and it made this greenish color smoothie. It was good. So good morning / afternoon. It's 12 o'clock on Sunday, and I'm going to spot clean her cage, and I'm going to vacuum my room a little bit, and I'll just probably speed it up a little bit while I'm cleaning her cage. So basically what I do for spot cleaning is take all her toys out and just sweep all the stuff up, and then shake her blanket out, and then vacuum the carpet, and that's what I do for spot cleaning. I try to do this every day. Sometimes I don't, but I try. After that, it was lunchtime, so I ate this for lunch and watched mostly Go Sleep. And that was the Southwest salad from Wendy's, and it comes with guacamole, and I added homemade salsa. I vacuumed my floor in her cage area. I just got to put it all back now, and I'm going to go get my hair ready for church. Just dump my hair in the shower and not really wash it, but wet it and then style it. But yeah. This is me on the way to church. I had my fall colored skirt on and my fall boots on, but it was a really pretty drive down there. And this is my church that I go to. And I didn't film any in church because I just don't like doing that. But this was the movie that I watched when I got home from church, and I also watched Halloween 4. I've been back from church for a long time. As you saw, I watched 2 movies. I watched Don't Look Under the Bed and Halloween 4. I put her cage back together finally and fed Carmel, gave her her food. So I'm getting ready to go to bed. I might read my Bible, probably will. But that is all for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.